A very warm welcome to the channel. If today is the first time here, my name is Yummy Cash, and to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you to you. Let me show you how I made the super authentic MOMONI recipe. I love the smell of the MOMONI. It smells super bland. Alright, let's begin with it. So with me I have my fish. I'm using catfish for this recipe. But feel free to use any type of fish to make your MOMONI. Over the past years, I've been using mackerel fish or tilapia to make my MOMONI. And this is actually my first time of using catfish to make MOMONI. And I must say, it is the best decision I have ever made. Because to me, it smells like Opa MOMONI. If you're a fan of MOMONI, you would know Opa MOMONI. Although I don't know the type of fish that Opa is. But this particular MOMONI I made smells like Opa MOMONI. Now, as I said to begin with, get your fresh fish. You can use tilapia, you can use mackerel fish, white fish, blue fish and black fish. So far as it is fish, then you can use it. Make sure to wash the fish very well. Remove the guts, the intestines, all the unwanted parts away, and give it a very good wash. Now, once you're done with the washing of the fish, start cutting it into small pieces. But if you do not want to cut the fish into small pieces, you can as well make the MOMONI with the whole big fish. Alright, here I am done with the cutting, and you can see it is really small in sizes. Now, when it comes to the head, I'm not going to use it because it is super hard. I will push the board aside, and in a clean bowl, I'll then put the fishes into the bowl. Now you can use container for this step, but I don't have container as at when I was doing this video. So I begin by adding half tablespoon of salt to it. I'm using pink salt for this recipe, but feel free to use sea salt or the white salt if I may say that for this recipe. I give it a very good mix. I will now cover the bowl and leave it to sit on the counter for 48 hours. So I was making tolo beef too. So it's been 48 hours. You can see a little bit of water in the bowl. I pour it away. And now this is how it's looking like. I will give it a very quick stir. Okay, once I'm done with the stirring, I will cover it again and leave it on the counter for 5 days. Alright, 5 days now. I add additional 1 tablespoon of salt to it and give it a very good stir. Once I'm done with the stirring, I cover it and leave it on the counter again for additional 5 days. So yummies has been 5 days now. And by now you should perceive some smell. I will pour the water around the fish away and then stir it up. So I smelled it and the level of or the consistency of the smell was not okay for me. So I will cover it once again and keep it for additional 5 days. Alright, yummies, it's been another 5 days now and oh my goodness, it smells so good. But I was nearly ejected from my house. So in total, I cured the fish for 12 days. But after the 12 days and you feel like the smell is not smelly enough for you, you can keep it for additional 2 days. And once everything is well done and made, I give it a very good wash. And then you keep it in your container. Use it as and when needed. As always, thank you so very much for watching this video. And I hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. Until then, always remember to do everything in love. Cheers.